Okay, today what we're gonna do, go to Ripple Rock. They blew it up with like a whole load of dynamite and stuff. It was a big deal. We're gonna test out the Mavic 3. Basically, we're gonna see how it flies. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna take the drone out, we're gonna see what we think, and see what we find.
Hey.
Doesn't quite understand the concept of a video yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing the Ripple Rock.
I can never die, got a lit spirit. Billy on my mind, at 9 digits. Cheated one easy, now we no limit. Bitch, I did the time, this is not a gimmick. Clocked in 10,000 hours, peaking Super Saiyan power. Making dough in my tower. Kitchen got a lot of flour. Just got out in a cold shower. Pack a big bowl of sour. Smoke my own brand of flour. Look down and wave to all the doubters. Hello. If you think you got advice for me, keep it to yourself. These bitches all think they so tight with me. Shit. Please tell me what you did. And I'm not talking about 500K likes on your pic, bitch. Y'all stay stressed about exterior. Hot girl, but her brain's inferior. My heart superior. Flow sicker than bacteria. Serious. I kill it, that's on period. And I'm doing it prettier. Really though, y'all stay silly though.
Everywhere I go, the people really wanna know who I is and who I be. They stop and stare when they see me. If I said it once, no need to repeat. Run up on me, watch you fall to your knees. Tip my hat when it's time for the kill. Ain't no beast when you're really real. I am the boss, I am the dawn. I am the one they call Lucky Charm. Got my own shit, I don't need your farm. Life was so hard, it made me weak. Built to last, this girl ain't weak. Sturdy and still when I plant my feet. Got it out the mud, now it's racks in my sleep. Look to God, he supplies my needs. Endless faith is what brought me next level prosperity. Silent power moves is what I'm giving. They love to hate the world they can't live in. Always present for the high roads. Go swim within the deep lows. Low. What told the future? Who knows? I don't do it for the likes, I do it for the love. Do it for the ones who really need a hug, cause they had it tough, never had enough. Feared, loved, and respected. Using words as a weapon. Test and she. Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon. Sit up straight when she enters the room. Be enthused, but don't look too amused. This is her queendom, please respect her rule. Hurry up quick, El Jefe's coming soon. Sit up straight when she enters the room. Be enthused, but don't look too amused. This is her queendom, please respect her rule.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here.
Someone's
we full of life,
tired.
you keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights.
So this is what the top of Ripple Rock looks like, and we're gonna find the drone. the end of that. We didn't get any footage of us coming back down because we were kind of bagged, but the drone performed pretty bloody well. We managed to fly in some pretty strong headwinds. As you can tell from the footage, there's literally no problems. This really isn't a filler piece video. We genuinely wanted to show an application with the Mavic in real terms. We took it out on a hike with that new VOIR bag, which survived that hike. And now, yeah, we'll see what you think. Toodles.